This is Alexis with Infinite Design Marketing, and in this video we're going to talk a little bit about making a new page. So let's go into, click Manage Pages, and then I'm going to go to Classmates Today because this is a section where we're making a lot of pages. So currently we have the main page, which is this page with a large list of names, and then we have the individual bio page will look like this, having between 1 and 3 photos. So what you would want to do if it was time to make a new one for someone is you're going to want to set it up like this. And in the last video, a page is named PHP. Classmates Today, and it's index.php inside of the Classmates Today folder. So the URL is m6mate-today-index.php. Of course, we have this PHP code here, so just ignore that. Down the road, that's how it'll look. So here we have Wayne's folder and his page. So let's take a look at that. So here's your page, and it says Classmates Today, index.php. Actually, that's not your page. Sorry about that. There we are. So Classmates Today, Wayne, Masha, and index.php. And then here's your name in the title. We can take that hyphen out. And there it is. These pages are full width. Now, in the last video, we talked about having a default page for a lot of the interior pages, and then these pages are full width. So here you need to make it for another person on the open the page of one that is already done, because one of the most important things your pages is that they exactly the proper name. So if I accidentally made a lower T or I wrote classmate, make another folder and it would just foul things up. So I like to come in and copy this. Now on a Mac computer, it's Control-C, so I won't swear and hold me to it. So now let's say I need to make a new page like Wayne's page, exactly the same. I want to duplicate folder, and I go to that index.php that I know is the page I want to copy. I'm going to click on the tools over here in Action, and I'm not going to edit this page, but I'm going to duplicate it. So I click Duplicate, paste that URL because I know it's right. But let's say now I'm making this for Michael Armlin. Let's grab his name so I don't spell it incorrectly. And I'm going to put it right here. No, I'm not. There I am. Click the right button, Alexis. So there's his name. Now, it's always best to have a hyphen in there. It's just better in keeping those directory names neat and making sure that they always come out the way that they should. Now, I'm also going to put his name as the title, if I can press the right button here this morning. And then it will show up here for his page. There's another place I'm going to want to put his name right here in the title. I have no idea why it came out that color. I mean that size. There we go. Okay, so I made it in H1. It's always good to have those heading tags H1. Now it's a little funky to me, so I'm going to come in here and I'm going to look. Sometimes there gets to be a little funny when you copy and paste things. See how it's got a little background? Image, class, floats, where's that word? Why can't I find it? Oh, here it is. Look at all this stuff here. This is from where I copied it. It pulled all this information. So we want to take MICHELARMELIN. It can always be the safest way to do it. Just type it in. If you get a lot of, especially if you copy and paste from Word, sometimes you can get a lot of residual code. There's actually a button here for copying and pasting from Word. This is a paste from Word because that way it helps to clean it up a little bit for you in case the code gets a little funky. So there, I put his name in there, and then if he had sent you some text content bio, what have you, you could go ahead and put it in there. I'm going to put some lorem ipsum in there just so you can see how this works. If my computer would be so gracious as to work. Okay, one paragraph, and I'm just going to copy and paste it in there and save. Let the page refresh, and then I need to link that page. So there's one more thing I'm going to want to do. I'm going to go back in here and look at that. Now there's his folder and his page named index.php. I'm going to edit, and I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to show you why. Grab that right there. I'm going to go back into Classmate, and this is that main page with all the list on it. And I'm going to say Edit. I'm going to go to his name, and I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to unlink it, because when both of those light up, it means it's linked already. So I'm going to unlink it, and I'm going to hit Link. Paste that in there. Put that / at the very beginning, and it says Other, and then I know it's right. And I just like to make sure, read it over. Classmates Today, there's his name, and there is the index.php. And then I'm going to set it to self. Hit OK. Save. Refresh. He looks just like you, Wayne. And that's how easy it is to create and link a page. Next, we'll talk about how to link in the menu system up here.